Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to share others' TikTok video on your own TikTok account. So for you to be able to do this, there is an option to repost someone's post on your TikTok account. So that is like sharing the TikTok video onto your own TikTok account. And to do so, just head onto your TikTok account. So just open it and log in onto the right account. And once you're in, click onto the home option in here. So if you scroll down in here or scroll onto the different videos and you find something that you want to share onto your TikTok account, simply click onto the share icon in here, onto the bottom part, and there should be an option for you to repost it. So if you repost that, that account is also shared onto your own account. So other friends will also be able to see that you have reposted that or shared that video onto your account. So for you to be able to see all of the reposted videos onto your account, simply click onto the profile icon in here, and onto the middle part, you should be able to see the repost icon, and you should be able to see all of the videos in there. And that is how easy you could share other video or other TikTok video on your TikTok account. And if you think that this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.